Yo, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your hardware ID unbanned or your HWID completely unbanned for completely free and spoofed as many times as you want. And this is going to allow you to unban yourself from any game, guys, on your computer. So basically, if you got banned on like Valorant, for example, or like any game, it will just automatically unban you and you'll be able to play again and be able to use your account again or make new accounts. And like I said, this will work for any game, guys. So what we have to do for this tutorial is very simple. All you'll need is a phone, guys. So take out your iOS or Android device. Actually, you could do this on your computer as well, but I'm going to be demonstrating this on my phone. So you should see my screen recording right now. So there is my phone screen. And let me go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So if I go into Safari, I have Microsoft.com open right now, and this is how the glitch is going to work, guys. Basically, we're going to be using a glitched version of NordVPN that I'm going to show you guys all how to get, and it's going to make Microsoft think that we are a developer of Microsoft, like a Microsoft developer. Everything is going to make sense in a minute, guys. Don't worry, you might be confused right now, but everything is going to make sense. So I'm going to go ahead and quick connect to any server of the glitched VPN, and then you guys are going to see what's going to happen, and you're going to see how this all works, and you'll be able to do it too. So let's go ahead and quick connect. As you can see, I'm connecting, and I've connected to a server, and now, guys, it doesn't matter which server, by the way, as long as it's on the glitched version of NordVPN. And now we're going to go back into Safari, and as you guys can see, it's going to say Microsoft Developer Detected. You can now spoof your hardware ID and claim your free $500 Microsoft gift card reward. So guys, it's all possible because we are using the glitched version of the NordVPN, and it makes Microsoft think that we are a developer. So we're going to click OK. It's going to say fetching your HWID on the network, and it has found it. So basically the way it works, guys, is that it finds it through your network that you're connected to. So make sure your phone or your computer is on the same Wi-Fi of the computer that you're trying to spoof your hardware ID. So yeah, make sure you guys do that. And now if there's multiple computers on your network, what it will do is it will just go ahead and spoof all of them on the network. So it'll just spoof all the hardware IDs on the network. But yeah, this won't change anything on your computer. Like all it is just identification for the games, so you guys will get unbanned. So let's go ahead and click OK, and it's gonna say spoofing HWID. Your HWID has been successfully changed and spoofed. So guys, there you have it. Now that it's been spoofed, we can go ahead and go back on our computer, and you don't even have to go into your settings or anything. Everything will be changed automatically because it thinks we're a developer, so it gives us all these perks. But now you can go back into your game that was banned, and you'll be able to play. And you'll be able to play, guys, without any issue. Also, as you guys can see, it says enter your Microsoft email to claim your free Microsoft gift card. Thanks for being a Microsoft developer. So guys, they also give you a free gift card because you are a developer by using the glitched VPN. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my Microsoft email right now. Yeah, at Hotmail or Microsoft, it doesn't matter. Or I mean at Outlook or Hotmail, whatever your Microsoft email is. But yeah, I'm gonna click OK. It's gonna say getting your $500 gift card, and there you have it. So all you would have to do now is take the gift card and redeem it, and you will be good, guys. So that is exactly how you spoof your HWID. Now, how exactly do you get this glitched version of NordVPN? Because this will only work with this version of NordVPN, guys. You can't get it from like a regular VPN. So how do we get this glitched version of NordVPN? Well, what you guys are going to do is open up your browser on your iPhone, Android, or your browse on your computer, and you're going to go over to this website, guys, vpnmod.co, guys. So go ahead and type in this website, vpnmod.co. Once again, that's vpnmod.co. Make sure you guys spell it correctly, and then you're going to go on over to it, and it's going to take you to this site right here. And what we have to go ahead and do, guys, is click the Get NordVPN button. And then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now what we have to go ahead and do, guys, is go over to any of the plans and just go ahead and purchase the VPN. But yeah, guys, it's that simple to do. Just go ahead and buy one of the plans, and then you'll be good to go. But yeah, I'm going to go with the 1-year plan, for example, $4.99 a month basically. It's going to ask you for your email address because you have to make an account. And yeah, as you guys can see, you get all these perks and stuff. Now you guys might be thinking, oh, you actually have to spend money, but do not worry, guys, because Also, there's a version of the Cash App, like a developer version of Cash App. And as you guys can see, it gives you free money on Cash App. So this method is essentially free because whatever you spend on it, you get it back through the Cash App and the Microsoft gift card that they give you when you claim it as a developer. So yeah, guys, you go back here and you just go ahead and check out. So you would have to type in your details and stuff. So like the payment method, you know, they have credit card, PayPal, and all that. And then you're good to go, guys. So enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.